everybody, it's Tammy Finch with Web Services. I had somebody ask me a question about SEO, search engine optimization, on their website, and I thought I'd just make a video of it. So here, that's what I'm doing. And what I'm going to do is just start with my own website. What I did here was I just logged in to my dashboard. And then what you do is you go over here to pages. You can also go under posts. It just depends on what you want to use. You can see here that there's already some information in some of my pages. And I'm going to go down here to one of the pages that doesn't have a whole lot on it. We're going to just go here to this local SEO page, and then we're going to click Edit. Now, this page already has some content on it, you can see here. But if I built your site, you have a plugin called Yoast, and that has your SEO information in it. Here it is. It's right below your page. And if we click this down arrow, it's going to open up. And then this is where you can add some of your titles, descriptions, keywords. I know that you've probably already heard that Google doesn't really look at keywords anymore. But what they do look at is domain name, titles, descriptions, and then you can put a focus keyword in here that's really just going to be a phrase, and that's going to help a little bit. Most of the time what they're looking at is the title description of each page. They want them to be different on every page, so you can't put Web Services East Peoria on every single page of your website as a title. You'll want to just change it up a little bit. So this one here, we're talking about local SEO. And what I'm going to do is just click here. And I'm still going to keep that as local SEO but I'm going to add a little bit to it for mobile and local review sites. And then I'm putting this little pipe in, and it's right above your enter key. Hold down the shift key and put this little pipe. It's a straight line. And then we'll put Web Services, Peoria, Illinois. Oops, that might be a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is make this an ampersand to give me a little bit more room. Put my comma. And I'm just going to take out this 4. The next thing with Yoast is it's going to tell you if you have too much information, if you're not putting the right information in, you get these little no focus keywords, that type of thing. So I'm going to have my focus as local SEO, and then I'm going to put in Peoria. And then for my description, I'm going to talk about local listing services for local business for mobile marketing. So here's what I did. I wrote a nice description of something that's within the page. You want to go up here and look at what content you have in this page here. You want some of this to match what's down here in your description and on your title. It's not going to be exact. You can see here that it's just not going to match every time. But if you can have a few of these green You have good readability here. My SEO is okay here. I'm going to go ahead and click update because I made changes to this page and then I'm updating it. Keep in mind that a lot of times when you're working with SEO, this is nice to have your page visible, but there's a lot more to it than just this. There's, you know, getting listed on other sites. You got your backlinks, you got your outbound links, and there's just so much more to it than just this. But this will at least give your page some visibility on Google. And this is what it's going to look like on Google. If Google goes and indexes my page, which it will in a little bit, it's going to see the title that I put here, and it's going to see the description that I put here too. Maybe not so much the focus keyword, but you can at least get these two things going where if they're all different on all of your pages, then I think that's going to help you get a lot more visibility on Google. Again, there's a lot more to SEO. You can contact me if you want to talk more about what some of your options are. You can give me a call and we can talk about it, or send me an email. But hopefully this will help you. Just, you know, this is how Yoast works. It's a nice little plugin. We put it on all of our websites, and it gives you a little bit of flexibility on how your page looks on the internet. Hopefully that'll help you. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. Again, this is Tammy Finch at Web Services in East Peoria. Thanks so much.